Hello, my name is Paige and I'm a Jim Mills County 4-H ambassador. So during these times, it's a little hard to get out and do some activities, but no worries, I have a fun activity here for the whole family to do. So today we're going to be making some foam. So to start us off, some of our supplies it's recommended for a 20-ounce bottle, but considering I'm using household items, I'm going to use a 16.9-ounce water bottle. Next is our dish soap. It can be any brand, any kind, and don't worry, we're not going to use the whole bottle, only a few drops. Moving on to our food coloring, it can be any color of your choice. I just chose blue because it's my favorite color. A small bowl, and a funnel, but don't worry, if you don't have a funnel, you can make one with a piece of paper. And then 1/4 make sure it is warm water, 1/4 cup of warm water. Now these are some of your household items, but some that you might have to go out to the store and get is a pack of yeast and some hydrogen peroxide. Now excuse me if I'm reaching over, but it is a safety precaution to make sure I'm following the directions at all times. Speaking of safety, I would like to talk to y'all about that before we begin. Since we are doing an experiment, girls, we need to make sure we have our hair pulled back, everybody has closed-toed shoes on, and when it comes to the hydrogen peroxide, it needs to be between 3% and 6% and nothing over 6%. So let's begin. So first things first, we're going to combine our 1/4 cup of warm water into a bowl. Then we're going to get our yeast. And what's going to happen with this is you're going to use two full teaspoons and 1/4 of a teaspoon. So 1, 2, and then let's go ahead and get that 4th. That's 1. All right, so we're gonna combine the yeast and the water into the bowl and mix it together with a little spoon. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and set that aside. Moving on to step 2. So we're going to put the bottle into the baking pan. So the purpose of the baking pan is just so when if the foam does come out, it doesn't make a huge mess all over your table. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our third step, which is grabbing our funnel and pouring the hydrogen peroxide into the bottle. Now for the hydrogen peroxide, you're only going to use 1/2 cup. So we're going to pour that in there. Alrighty, you can take the funnel out just for a minute and put this off to the side. Next, we're going to add in a few drops of the food coloring. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And then onto our fifth step is going to be add a couple of squirts of dish soap. 1, 2, that's good, that's good. And then 6, we're going to grab our funnel again, so go ahead and bring it back in. And we're going to pour in the water in the yeast mixture. So we're going to take it out very quickly, and you can see that it starts to rise very slowly. Now what this is an exothermal, which means like it starts off a little cold, but eventually gets a little warmer. It is slowly rising to the top. I don't know if you can see. So we're gonna put it back in here just in case it spills out. Oh, it's rising to the top. Ooh, look at that, guys. This was super fun, and I think everybody in the family could do it, mom, dad, brothers, and sisters included. And then I would even do is it's recommended to do at least 3 bottles, and you can all do different colors. So somebody could do pink, somebody could do purple, and then we have the blue. And this is just really fun. Look at it go, guys. It's still going. I'd say we did pretty good. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you've enjoyed this. Now keep in mind, if you would like to try this at home, I'll definitely put it in the comments section when the video is posted. Thank you so much. Again, I am Paige Langley, Jim Wells County 4-H ambassador.